Today we're going to learn how to enable the data analysis add-on on Microsoft Excel and then to use one of its features. Log into Course Compass, go to Weekly Assignments. Choose Week 1 Notes and Assignments, scroll all the way to the bottom, click on Internet Use Data, choose Save, save it to your desktop, and then open. Now that we're there, we want to come to the upper left-hand side and click on the Office button. Down the bottom of that menu, you will see Excel options. On the right-hand side, you'll see Add-ins. Click on Add-ins. Now back to the bottom, and on the bottom you'll see Manage Excel Add-ins. Click Go. Now you want to put a check in the box next to Analysis Toolpak and Analysis Toolpak VBA and say OK. Once you've done that, come to the Data tab, and all the way on the right you'll see Data Analysis. Click on that. This will bring you up a dialog box. You want to choose Descriptive Statistics and say OK. The input range is your data, so highlight your data. We want to choose next Output Range. Click in the circle next to Output Range. Notice that that puts the cursor back in Input Range. We don't want to wipe out the data we just put in, so make sure you click in the box. And now choose where you want to put your output. I'm going to choose cell B1. Check the box that says Summary Statistics and say OK. Now we've generated lots and lots of statistics, and we can't see the title, so we want to widen the columns so that we can see what we have there. Put your cursor between B and C on the top row. Double click. Notice that Excel automatically creates the correct column width to display those names. Next, we're going to format the cells to the correct number of decimal places. The mean should be formatted to 1 decimal place, so click on that cell, right-click, and go to Format Cells. Choose Number. Notice that the default is 2 decimal places. We only want 1, so we're going to use our down arrow to make it 1 decimal place. Say OK. We're not interested in the standard error right now, so I'm just going to go to the Home ribbon and delete that. The median and the mode are already formatted to the correct number of decimal places, so now we will reformat the standard deviation and the variance. Notice that that's the sample variance, it's also the sample standard deviation. Highlight them both, right-click, back to Format Cells, choose Number. 2 is the default, that's what we want this time, so we can just say OK. Kurtosis and skewness we can delete. Sum, not interested, we can delete that. I am going to retitle this as Descriptive Statistics. And we're done.